What I loved about Bryn Mawr was that I could learn anything. Even with the love and appreciation I felt for Bryn Mawr, there was the flip side that made me long at times to leave and go to Douglas High School. I loved Latin and became good at it. One semester, I expected an A on my report card, but my teacher could not give me the A I deserved. Instead, I received a B plus plus plus. All in all, it felt very lonely at times to live between two worlds and not fully belong to either. I am proud of that young Michelle who felt the fear and did it anyway. As I wrote in my Melange article in 1969, I left Bryn Mawr as a Black and proud young woman. My message to the Bryn Mawr students, to all of you, is to fully embrace your girlness and your time in this beautiful academic cocoon. It does not matter how you got here. This experience is yours, and you are tied here together. Every one of you bring things of value and importance to help create the viability of this space. Realize, and this is so important, I tell my children, realize that you belong wherever you have decided to put your feet. Approach the world and all of its people with excitement and an open heart and mind. Your time here at Bryn Mawr would have prepared you for that. My last words to all of you is to feel the fear and do it anyway.